Dense fog advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. West of today, southwest.
Yep, I'm in that. Let's go.
Thunderstorm watch number 390, effective at 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Michigan: Allegan, Barry, Calhoun, Kalamazoo, and Van Buren. National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 390. The development of severe weather are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail areas. Severe weather may not be imminent. A 20% chance of showers and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio, in and close to the watch area for the latest severe weather information.
Serves other people in need.
Here is the near-shore forecast for waters within 5 nautical miles from shore for the following for southern Jackson County in south central Michigan until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Vandercook Lake to 5 miles northeast of Litchfield, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jackson, Brooklyn, Vandercook Lake, Spring Arbor, Napoleon, Norval, Pulaski, Concord, Horton, Hanover, Oak Point, Sunset Beach, Michigan Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Conditions around the air at dew point 74 and the relative humidity 84%. The wind is at 12 miles an hour, gusting to 21.
Oh shoot, that's not good.